I did this with my hand!
You gotta put it in the line.
Watch out! Okay. Oh, I thought there was a cat hurt. Easy, idiot.
He's scared of it.
Here.
There's your snuff line.
Oh, wait a minute here. Oh, that was good.
He keeps sneezing.
I need you to back up, Mom. You're in the light.
Wait, no, wait.
He just wants the bottle.
No, dude. On the thing.
There's 94 flats. Only 4.
Oh, he's going evil cat on it.
It's a better dog. What?
Where's Lane?
I think he's got.
I need you guys to back up. I can't get light.
Now they got the munchies. They got the munchies now. Put them on the tile for him. Snort line. They all want the bottle.
Flip on the light. Hit the light.
No. Oh, Psycho Kitty. No, because you bite. Wah! Where's the lid?
Oh no, he's having it over.
I don't know. Oh, those are ornament things from when you did our ornaments. Okay, let's see the stuff. Oh, don't take it apart. Where's the lid? I think it's over here somewhere. It popped up. Stand up. Find it?
Ryan, do you have the lid?
Thank you.
It's everywhere. I lost my spot in my page.
Now they're fighting for you to
I lost my spot. I lost my spot. That's not good.
baked.
I have to read all over again.
Oh, where are they gone?
Ow!
Man.
Here, let me test how much you feel. Do you feel this?
Here, let me hug you, man.
What?
Oh, here's something entertaining.
It's shiny.
He's just like the camera. Krista, he's the one that likes it. What?
Yeah, let them down. They're playing with their catnip honey.
They have no clue what it is.
So we had a frog that it used to go into. I don't know where the frog is.
Nikki.
She says it went under. Oh, there it is.
He's like, what hit me? It came apart. It came apart.
We'll go back to it.